I am Vinay Patel, a professor and head Mechanical Engineering Department, Birla Vishvakarma Mahavidyalaya. Also, heading development of Center of Excellence in Digital Manufacturing. As the team leader, I had the privilege of guiding an exceptional group of students through this complete retrofitting journey from mechanical upgrades to full digital integration. Together, we transformed a decades-old CNC Turning Center into a smart, connected, and future-ready machine. This project brought together engineering innovation, system integration, IIoT, and digital twin technology, all aligned with Industry 4.0. What you see today is not just a retrofit, it's a leap into the future of manufacturing.
This project involves retrofitting the MIRAC-PC, a CNC turning center, with modern mechanical systems. The first step was replacing outdated stepper motors with high-performance servo motors to ensure compatibility with industrial IoT platforms and improve control accuracy.
To support new motors, matching pulley systems were designed for both machines, considering torque and speed requirements.
In this system, the Siemens 808D CNC controller is used to operate the X and Z axis motors, the spindle, and the tool turret of the machine. It communicates with motor drives and other motion components to perform machining tasks. To enable Industry 4.0 features, the schematic S7-1200 PLC is introduced as a middleware. Since the 808D does not support OPC UA, the PLC collects data from the CNC controller over Profinet and makes it accessible via OPC UA to external platforms like Kepware server and Emulate 3D, enabling real-time monitoring and digital twin implementation. For predictive maintenance, Vivid light sensors are connected via Modbus to the PLC. These sensors monitor vibration and temperature on both the spindle and the tool turret, helping detect wear or abnormalities early. A safety curtain is also connected to the PLC to ensure machine shutdown in case of human interference during operation, adding an extra important layer of safety.
As part of the project, IoT capabilities were integrated using ThingWorx and Kepware. The Siemens PLC was connected to Kepware, which functions as an OPC server to enable real-time data collection from the PLC. ThingWorx was then configured to communicate with Kepware, and a basic dashboard was developed to allow remote monitoring of key machine parameters. This setup provides remote visibility into the performance of the MIRAC-PC and supports improved monitoring and decision making.
This is the digital twin of our CNC machine, made with Emulate 3D. It's just not a 3D model, it's alive, fully connected, fully responsive, and powered by OPC UA communication. We have established a secure OPC UA link between the physical CNC and its digital twin. Live data flows seamlessly to Emulate 3D server, where we can visualize, monitor, and even simulate operations without ever touching the real machine. This is the essence of Industry 4.0. Where machines that communicate, adapt, and optimize themselves. OPC UA makes it scalable, Emulate 3D makes it visual, and digital twin makes it powerful. With this, we don't just interact with machines, we understand them in real time. As the final presenter today, I will leave you with this thought. The future of manufacturing isn't coming, it's already here.